Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's. I'm always looking for ways to make healthy eating easier and tastier, especially at breakfast. That's when I turn to recipes like this chocolate gingerbread smoothie. This smoothie has everything you could want first thing in the morning. It's quick, easy, nutritious, and delicious. Our mornings are busy, but we still want to eat a healthy breakfast. This smoothie is a family favorite. Before making this, make sure you have some frozen bananas ready. Then, starting with the milk and ending with the banana, just combine all the ingredients in a blender and pulse. This smoothie is high in protein and fiber, so it'll keep you full until lunchtime. And it's great after a workout too. For more delicious molasses recipes, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.